In this video, I will show you how you can activate noise cancellation via the touch sensor on your AirPods 4. Now before we start, just make sure that you have the variant of the AirPods 4 which support active noise cancellation or ANC, because there is a variant of the AirPods 4 which does not support ANC. After that, now just pair your AirPods with your iPhone, and after you do that, then just go to settings on your iPhone, and from here just tap on the name of your AirPods. As you can see on this page, you will find the settings to control active noise cancellation. Now to enable ANC through the touch sensor, just take out the AirPod from the case, and from here just tap and hold on the touch sensor on your AirPod. And after you do that, you will hear a sound and you will turn on or activate active noise cancellation using the touch sensor. And similarly, to turn off active noise cancellation, just tap and hold on the sensor one more time, and you will hear this sound, and you will shift from noise cancellation to transparency mode. And you can customize this feature even more. If you scroll down, you will find the option of either your left or your right AirPods. For example, I will select the right AirPod. Now from here, instead of transparency mode, I will select the off feature. Now after you do that, if you tap and hold on the touch sensor, you will activate noise cancellation. But if you tap and hold on the touch sensor again, instead of transparency mode, it will shift to off. Now let's see if it is working or not. Now I will tap and hold on the touch sensor. As you can see, after you hear this sound, you will enable active noise cancellation. But if I tap and hold one more time, now this time you will hear this sound and you will turn off active noise cancellation instead of shifting to transparency mode. And this is how you can activate noise cancellation via the touch sensor on your AirPods 4. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.